In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Cursor AI settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to reach the full settings interface inside the Cursor application, so you can fine-tune both your editor behavior and your AI experience with confidence. First, make sure the Cursor app is open and active on your screen. You want the application in focus, because the menu we need appears only when Cursor is the active window. If you're on macOS, look to the System menu bar at the very top of your screen. If you're on Windows or Linux, the menu sits along the top edge of the Cursor window itself. If you've gone full screen and don't see it, just move your mouse to the top to reveal it again. With Cursor active, go to the top menu and click the Cursor item. In that drop-down, hover over Settings and then choose Cursor Settings. Follow that exact path. Cursor, then Settings, then Cursor Settings. This opens the complete settings interface, not just a quick menu, so you'll have access to everything in one place. Once the settings panel appears, you'll see organized sections that cover editor preferences and AI configuration. This is where you can adjust how your editor feels, things like theme, font size, formatting behavior, and key bindings, so Cursor matches your workflow. You'll also find AI-related controls, where you can tailor how the assistant behaves, how suggestions appear, and how prompts are handled. If there's a search bar within the settings, use it to jump straight to AI options by typing a keyword like AI or Assistant, which can save you time if the list is long. As you explore, make small adjustments, test them, and then return if you want to tweak further. Many settings apply immediately, so you can see the effect right away. If something doesn't look right, simply revert the change or look for a reset option within that specific section. It's a safe space to experiment, and you can always come back to make further refinements later. When you're done, close the settings panel, and your changes will remain in effect the next time you open Cursor. To recap the path one more time for clarity, in the top menu, click Cursor, then Settings, and select Cursor Settings to open the full settings interface where you can configure both editor and AI options. That's all you need to open Cursor AI settings quickly and reliably. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.